Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. When I first did this, I wasn't real excited about the blank spot, but when I put it on a black screen, it came out pretty good. And there's kind of like a screenshot of what we want to do. I want to take a six-sided polygon, and I'm going to put it in the center of the page. Several ways to do this, but I'm going to take the rectangle tool, and I'm going to go from that node down to that node. And so you've got half of it. I'm going to take the control key and round off that corner. Now I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to grab it right here, holding down the control button till it snaps to the center. And there is our shape once we take the virtual segment delete key and delete that part. Take your smart fill tool and fill it in. Now let's move that out of the way and move this out of the way. We're not done yet with it. So what we need to do is left click, right click, Control D, Alternate C, which is a macro that makes it rotate, and we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. This is the part we want because we don't want anything overlapping. So I'm going to nudge that out of the way and nudge this out of the way and put this back. And then we're going to get the interactive fill tool. And I don't know why I always put black. Whoop, I missed it. And then I put a white, and I'm just doing kind of like I did. So you need to put another red. And if you want this at this angle, you just take this handle and move it down. And that's pretty cool. And you could do, even more. Let's do it. Let's put a black on this end. Let's raise these two up and then put another red here. So we kind of have a black on both ends. It's a little bit too dark. That looks pretty good. Then, that's not quite at the angle I wanted, but you can do this right here and bring that angle kind of even. Control D, Alternate C, rotate it 60 degrees. That actually looks better, I think, because it looks like it's kind of wrapping. Anyway, take a black box, object order back a page. That's pretty cool and pretty easy. Because you can just maybe imagine this ribbon going through there and turning back around. I don't know. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.